Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. In the first step, we need to right click on the start icon and click on settings. Then on this window, we need to click on these three lines and go to apps section. Then we need to click on install apps, and here we need to find out the Microsoft Store, and just scroll down and here you will get the Microsoft Store. Here it is. Just click on three lines, go to advanced options, and we need to go to the reset section and click on repair. So this will take few seconds to complete the process. Once done, we need to close this window and simply go to the task manager and click here to open it. On this window, we need to click on this run new task. Here it is, and this will open a new window that will be create new task. So click on browse button. Now go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. In the Windows folder, we need to find out system32 folder. So double click on it to open it, and in the system32 folder we need to find out cmd.exe file. Okay, just select it and click on open. Now check this box. This will create this task with administrative privileges. Then click on OK. Once we are here, we need to close background windows and we need to focus on command prompt window. Now type here chkdsk space c colon and hit enter. So this command will take a few time, around 4 to 5 minutes to complete the process. And once done, we need to execute the next command, that will be sfc space /scan now, and we will hit enter to execute the command. That command also will take around 10 to 15 minutes, depends upon your computer configuration. So after this command completes, we will gonna execute that command. Here we go, type in sfc space /scan now and hit enter. So this will take around 10 to 15 minutes. My computer is little bit slow, so this will take around 10 to 15 minutes. Then we need to restart the system after this process completes. And what you have to do, you can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.